Alright, so I made a bird trap right here. Inside here we have some stone walls, another stone wall, some spikes for it to get inside. But then once it's inside, the spikes will block it off, so it can't get out. And we also have some food over there for it. Some straw. Some straw for it to make a nest. And over here, how did that fall down? Just back up. Over here, we have another blocking. This stops it from flying out. We have another stone wall, which got crumbled down. Bro, that rock looks huge. Good. It's going great right now. It's going pretty good. Right. Next, we just have to walk over here. Grab some wood. It's pretty dark in here. Don't worry. Right now that we're back outside, we can begin. Right, bam. Pretty good. All right, we're done.